总统赖清德昨暗时带领内阁团队出席美国商会社年饭。伊讲，台湾会扩大对美国的采购，包括是各种工业产品、农产品、甲天然气等等。也强调台积电会对美国扩大投资。AIT 处长郭立言就讲，台积电就亲像鼎泰丰去美国开分店，袂互台湾的总店排队人丁变较少。
Ladies and gentlemen。
参加台美商会办的社年饭，总统赖清德对台美经济合作，宣布对美国扩大采购，包含各项工业产品、农产品加阿拉斯加天然气，要求要求各个制产业会对台积电去美国投资。
In addition to TSMC, Taiwan's Global Wafers has built a 12-inch silicon wafer factory in Texas, the biggest in the U.S. This will be followed by many other industries.
赖清德指出，美国是台湾主要的投资来源国，去年都占整体外来投资金额11.5%。AIT 处长郭立元讲到，最近常伫媒体看到乌康的讲法，伊用鼎泰丰包啊来比喻全球对台湾晶片的需求。
Just as Ding Tai Fung's new branch in Arizona is not going to result in shorter lines at its original Yongkanjia outlet, TSMC's new fabs in Arizona are not going to reduce demand in the world for the world's most efficient semiconductor ecosystem here in Taiwan. Just like soup dumplings, the world's appetite for advanced microchips to fuel the AI revolution is insatiable.
赖清德特别感谢美国总统川普甲日本首相就瀑布发表联合声明，展现对台海和平稳定的坚定支持。台湾会继续守护民主自由的价值，在区域甲全球安全当中扮演负责任的角色。
Currently, Taiwan's defense budget stands at about 2.5% of GDP. Going forward, the government will prioritize special budget allocations to ensure that our defense budget exceeds 3% of GDP.
台中市长罗秀贤也来参加，两人被看作是2018年总统大选可能的竞争对手，两人真难得同台，甲郭立元的互动也成做这场社年饭的另外一个焦点。记者综合报道。